let's make jerk chicken Caesar salad sandwiches using DivineKuizine's jerk rub and DivineKuizine's jerk sauce. So let's go ahead and get into this recipe. Okay y'all, so I'm getting ready to season the chicken for our Caesar jerk Caesar croissant sandwich using DivineKuizine's products. So let's get started on seasoning our chicken. So right now I have 2 chicken fillets, breast. So I'm gonna use some complete seasoning. And I've already washed the chicken, y'all, and dried it and did all those good things. So we have some chicken complete seasoning. We have my favorite, which is the seasoned pepper. I'm gonna get all this nice and done. And we have some salt. And then we're gonna use our jerk rub, DivineKuizine's jerk rub, as one of our seasonings. I want mine a little spicy, so I'm gonna do 3 tablespoons, or teaspoons rather, but you can always, you know, on whatever your heat intake is, just know it can get kind of spicy. So mild would be like 1.5 teaspoons, and then if you go up from there, of course, the heat gets hotter and hotter. So then we're going to take a little bit of olive oil, and this would be good if you could do it ahead of time, you know, marinate it, so then everything can be nice and marinated and all together. But this is gonna be like fried chicken jerk Caesar salad. I was seeing this going around on TikTok where a lot of people were doing like chicken Caesar salad sandwiches and things in that nature. And I was like, oh, well, let me get on bandwagon. But you know, I always got to do it Shay's way and do it a little different and, you know, spice it up with some of my products. Okay guys, so we have our seasoned jerk chicken breast, and we're gonna just put it in flour. This is flour, a little bit of salt, and some cornstarch. So nothing, not really seasoned a whole bunch up, because our chicken is gonna be real seasoned, and then we're gonna put the jerk sauce on it. So put your chicken breast in here for you. And I'm particular on the oils that I use. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting ready to butter our croissants and toast them a little bit. So this is a little bit of butter and parsley, melted butter. So we're gonna just put that on there and toast it. So I'm just using the Panera Bread Caesar dressing, but you can use whatever one you like. So, and I have some romaine lettuce in here. I have some shaved Parmesan cheese I'm gonna put in, and some seasoned pepper. Very easy. Just gonna mix all this together. Ready to dress it with the DivineKuizine jerk sauce. The jerk sauce is a little sweeter. It has tamarind in it. It still has a kick of spice, but it's not as spicy as your jerk rub would be. So we're gonna get ready to dress the chicken. Dress it up. Nice and saucy. Get a little messy here because I'm gonna use my hands. So I'm gonna take some of the salad. Take our jerk chicken here. And there you have DivineKuizine's jerk chicken sandwich. Put a little bit of that butter on the top of our croissants, like so. So now it's time to go in for the taste. This is a messy sandwich, y'all, so. Woo. I have to take a big bite. I know it's on my nose. It's juicy. That Caesar dressing is good. It gives it a little more acidity. That jerk sauce is kind of sweet spice. The croissant is nice and soft. Little spice, not too much spice, but just enough spice. You get the jerk flavor, get the Caesar, the softness from the croissant. This is a must-make sandwich. It's good. It's a little messy, as you see, but it's a banger. To get this recipe and more, go to DivineKuizine.com. Love y'all, Chef Shay.